Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be packing for college. This video is going to be filmed over the span of a few weeks, so it might seem a little all over the place, but essentially I'm just going to film whatever I can when I'm packing for college. I'm moving into a college apartment this fall, which is very exciting. It's still over a month before I move out of this house, but I thought I would just start some of my packing now. I actually still have some stuff packed away from when I was living in a dorm for 2 months last fall, so I guess I can show you a little bit of what I have already, and then I'll just be filming little clips of me packing here and there. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. Okay, I'm going in kind of a random order, but it makes sense in my head. So the first thing that I'm going to be packing are hair ties, and I literally have so many in so many different colors, and I'm just going to put them in this jar. So now I got these new Stairlight drawers because my old ones were dirty and janky. One of the drawers literally didn't even fit properly in it. So yeah, I was just taking off the labels and then I got to organizing them. I like to put just about all my essentials in my Stairlight drawers. So this includes medicine, toiletries, electronics, school supplies, and more. I also put a lot of extras in here just in case I ever run out of anything. There are a few convenience stores near my apartment, but they're super overpriced and the nearest grocery store is like a bus or car ride away, so I just like to have a lot of everything right from the beginning. Then I got this super fluffy reading pillow from Meyer and I was so excited about it. It's so comfy and great for doing work in bed, even though I really should not be doing that. And then in this clip, I'm just starting to organize my clothes into my new clothing organization system that I'm using in my apartment, and I'm also trying to figure out which clothes I want to bring and which ones I'm leaving behind. So if you look in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, those bins that I'm using to store clothes are from Target, and they're super high quality, so I definitely recommend them. Check out my dorm essentials video for the exact ones if you're interested. It took me a while to figure out how I wanted to store all my clothes in my apartment because I have a lot of clothes and not nearly as much space in my apartment, but I ended up having one bin for socks, underwear, and feminine hygiene products, another bin for bottoms, another bin for tops that I didn't have room to hang in the closet, and another bin for pajamas and loungewear. Now I started packing a lot of my pantry items, so things like ramen and instant mac and cheese, tea, cooking oil, things like that. I also want to mention that I do claim to be vegetarian, but as you can see, I have chicken flavored ramen, which does have powdered chicken in it, and that is because I needed a big crate of ramen for things like exam weeks and other busy times at college, and when I went to the store, they didn't have a big crate of soy sauce ramen, so I ended up just going with chicken. This is the only non-vegetarian food that I'll be eating this year, so I do still consider myself a vegetarian. Please don't come for me. Hey guys, it is currently past 11 p.m. on August 14th and I'm being really quiet because everyone's asleep, and I thought I would just walk you through everything that I bought for my kitchen. Okay, so most of these things are from Target, but a couple of them are from Meijer. So first up we have this really big wooden spoon from Target. Two super cute mugs. One of them is a fox mug and the other one is this really nice glass mug. Both of these mugs are from Meijer. And then I bought two pans off of Target's website, and these are 8 inches and 10 inches, I believe. And then after that I just got one pot. The lid of the pot comes with this little strainer thing, so I'm really happy about that. I also got an instant pot to make rice and beans and other things in there. Yeah, now I'm gonna move on to packing away some stuff for my bathroom. I'm using this hanging organizer that I got from Vera Bradley, and it comes in handy so often. I've used it in my dorm when I was there for a short couple of months. So this is all of the plates and bowls and silverware that I'm bringing. I'm just bringing 2 bowls, 2 plates, one in each size, and then 2 spoons, 2 forks, and 1 butter knife. I couldn't find the matching IKEA spoon to go with this, so I'm just bringing this other spoon, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm planning on just washing dishes right after I'm done with them, so I think this should be enough. I also have this set of bamboo cutting boards that I'm planning on bringing, and then to go along with this, I'm just going to get 1 or 2 knives that my family has already used. Now I'm just putting a bunch of toiletries and products into my hanging bathroom organizer. I literally reorganized this like a million times before I moved in, so it didn't end up staying like this, but you get the idea. One thing that I did leave the same was the pads in the top compartment, and this has been so convenient, so I highly recommend doing this. I bought this dispenser because I thought I was going to use it for hand soap, but I think I'm going to use it for body wash instead. In case you were wondering, I used the Neutrogena Rain Bath. This smells so good. It reminds me of pears from India. Then I washed and folded my bedding and towels, and I suck at folding, so this was kind of a struggle, and they ended up being really wrinkled. But it's totally fine because after like a week of using it all, it just smoothed itself out, so... If you didn't know, I have a huge earring collection and I wanted to bring it all, but transporting them in this organizer would probably result in a lot of them getting lost, so I temporarily transferred them to this little pouch. I also taped up the pockets of the organizer that were holding my bracelets, but I ended up transferring my bracelets to a different pouch as well, just so nothing would get lost. Then I transferred my necklaces to this necklace box from Kay, and once I got to my apartment, I hung the necklaces on command hooks. This is the spreadsheet that I made, and I shared it with my roommates just so we could stay organized and see what everyone was bringing. This spreadsheet idea is actually copied from Caitlin Films, and I will link her video where she shows her packing spreadsheet in the description.